caught in a strong Miami crosswind, to a stormy day in the UK that put dozens of pilots to the ultimate test, and much more. Here are some of the scariest crosswind landings caught on camera. With roughly 16 million passengers in 2022, Düsseldorf Airport in northern Germany is the fourth busiest airport in the country. It services flights from all around the world, with trips to and from the UAE being the ninth busiest route. On October 5th of 2017, an Emirates-operated Airbus A380 came in for a landing at Düsseldorf. Meanwhile, powerful crosswinds brought on by Cyclone Xavier smashed into the plane. Our pilots had to lean on every second of their training to land safely. But things didn't go so smoothly once they finally touched down. Look at how heavily the wind affects the wings and tail fin. Imagine being in the cockpit knowing more than 500 people are relying on you to land safely. Thankfully, these are some of the most skilled pilots in the world. The Airbus A380 is the world's largest passenger plane. It features two full-length seating decks that can fit between 525 and 853 people comfortably. As of today, Emirates Airlines has the largest fleet of A380s, with 123 ready to fly. The next largest is Singapore Airlines, and they only have 14. Ethiopian Airlines is the largest airline group and cargo operator in Africa. From humble beginnings in 1945, they'd eventually be named the best airline in Africa in 2017. They made further history in 2018 after agreeing to twice-weekly freighter flights between Ethiopia and Miami. It marked the first ever cargo route between Miami and the African continent. Things ran pretty smoothly over the next few years. Then, in April of 2021, an Ethiopian cargo flight caught everyone's eye when it made an extremely rocky landing. To their credit, the pilots did their best after getting caught in a strong crosswind.